Hello, what we got here today is this Harbor Breeze. I think it's a Harbor Breeze Classic. That's what I'm guessing it is. Not a Harbor Breeze Springfield. Probably a Harbor Breeze Classic. No, I know it's a Harbor Breeze. Because it says so right here on the fan. I haven't seen very many Harbor Breezes lately, so it's quite a nice. I believe it's a Harbor Breeze Classic. Hey, you can let me know in the comments, of course. Turn the light on. See the four lights work. Close enough. Turn the fan on and start with flow. This fan has four nice globes. Incandescent. Oh yeah. Here's that we're going against the fluorescent and LED. The four incandescent bulbs. I think they're the night light style. No, isn't it kind of funny how night light bulbs last forever practically, and freaking most other fluorescents if the incandescents don't. Oh, it is go the same for fluorescents. Fluorescents also have a fairly short life. This thing has like I think it's the cherry. Could be wrong. Probably am. Eh. I'm almost not tall enough to reach that second thing. This fan's at my friend's house, so let's keep anonymous for now. This thing needs a decent amount of air on medium. So anywhere in my head to make Chapman could ever push on medium. Put it on high now. I just have a very slight wobble. But the air punch down feels good. The pendant are of gunmetal, which I think is very nice, and the body is like a matte black. So there's a gunmetal pull chains and a matte black housing with some kind of brown. It's not bleach oak, I know that much for sure. Well, some kind of brown blades. No, honestly, I'm too short to see what's on the other side. Put back onto its original speed. Put everything back to the way it was before I came to it. And that is the Harbor Breeze Classic, presumably. Yes, what it says. Thank fan. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and more fans to come.